This is the final video to fix error 0x8096002A during file extraction in Windows. And if you're also facing this problem where your zip files stop extracting, stay with me because I'm going to share every simple method so you can solve it today. I am from 0x8096002A and I will explain everything in the easiest way. This error happens when a zip file is corrupted, the file path is too long, or Windows cannot read the compressed data. Many tutorials on YouTube and Facebook make this sound very complex, but the real fixes are simple. When I faced this problem myself, I solved it with one easy trick. First, move the zip file to a short location like desktop or C drive. Long file paths often trigger error 0x8096002A. Next, try another extraction tool. Use 7-zip or WinRAR. If the built-in extractor fails, these tools can still open the file. Then check if the zip is actually damaged. Right-click, go to Properties, and see if the file size matches the original download. If it looks wrong, re-download the file. Also turn off your antivirus temporarily. Some antivirus programs block certain files inside the zip and cause this error. Another easy fix is to rename the zip file to a shorter name. Long or special characters can break extraction. The trick that worked for me was moving the zip to the C drive and using 7-zip. The file extracted instantly with no error. If you want a full step-by-step